What is up, guys? I'm Manish back at it again with another video. And today, I thought I found my car that I used when I was a kid, very long time ago, and I thought I can use it for epic driving car content. But guess what? It's not working. But our content is still the same. It's still this car that was a gift to me. It's now broken, and yeah, let's repair it. First, let's take off everything. Oh, it still has batteries. Great, epic, very epic, amazing. Batteries are all dead, and yeah, this is so yeah. Let's fix it. Woo! Epic fixing skills. The heck is that sound? Oh, it's okay. So it's on the back. I'm gonna repair this baby. We're gonna make it a beast back again. The heck is that? So now let's do the. Feel like this has many broken parts. So if I didn't manage to repair it, well, that's gonna be it. Should I just turn off my flash? That's good. I don't want to edit this in Power Director, so it doesn't have any Power Director watermarks or whatever. It doesn't even have a screw. Okay, great. So let's take this one off. And oh gosh, boom. This one is stuck because it's. Oh wait, I just broke it. Nice. Okay. I think I'm gonna break the lights. Yeah, no, we don't need lights. Oh that sound, dang. So as you can see, it has a motor right here. So it's a front motor. Oh, I never really imagined. It's so dirty. It's so dirty. It's so, oh my god. Yeah, here. So here is the whatever this is. It's not stuck. There we go. Now it's stuck. Great. It's so dirty. I don't want to touch this. Not a fucking mechanic. Oops, sorry for the bad words. I'm not bad. It's just this thing. Okay. Let's take off the wheels. You can see there's hair in it. Like, what the heck? There's hair. Like, what the heck? Oh wow, I broke it. Great. I wanted to take a great. Oh wow. Let's just fix the remote too. Oh wow. So this is how it goes. So it's here. What the heck? What am I doing? I'm trying to be an expert, but no. Shut the. I said, quiet down. That felt nice. Well, guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you like me destroying this. I mean, it's not working anymore, and I can't fix it whatsoever. But I guess that's gonna be it. Hope you like this, the destruction of the frame. So I'll show that right now using my feet. You saw my face. Yes, I'm naked, but I'm not that naked. Like, no, I still have my undies on. It's only the top because it's so hot here in the Philippines. But yeah, let's destroy this. Let's go. Great quality content. 2, 1. Oh. Oh yeah, guys, if you're gonna tell me what a piece of waste, what a waste of money, and oh, wait, if you're gonna tell me what a waste of money and stuff like that, it's already broken in the first place, and it's unrepairable due to the fact that uh, the remote control ports are broken. Can you see that bluish part right here? I can replace that, yes, but I don't have the money and the time to wait to deliver it. And as you can see, before I threw it, the wire is already broken. So I can fix, yes, but I don't have the equipment to do that. And then on the car, it's dirty, it's clogged. As you can see, the wheels here are clogged with hair. Here, okay, I'll show you a better view. Here it is. It's clogged with hair. And that's why I decided to destroy. But I will still use this motor for my Tamiya, because you can use that for your you can use it for your Tamiya. Okay, let's break that part. Wait. Let's break this part. We need to use it. Okay, let's break it, guys. Break this apart. Just gonna get that piece right here. Just replace that stock motor. Oh gosh! Oh shoot! It hit the camera. So this is the motor that I was talking about. It's oily and greasy, so make sure to always clean your hands, guys, especially in this pandemic. But yeah, I got what I wanted, and it's the motor. But never mind, I'm not gonna use it. It's too greasy and it's worn out. If let's check it out if it's not worn out. But I'm pretty sure it is. Can't get a grip. Can't get a grip on this. I just managed to cut it off. No, don't lean. Don't lean on the kids. Oh, I can't take it off. This is glued. It's glued. Yep. This is as expected. And yes, as you can see, it is worn. It's not that worn out, but I count that as worn out because you can see the oil and grease slipping, and you can see and it's gushing over. So if you wanted to know what's inside the motor of a Tamiya, your RC cars and whatever. This is the motor inside of that smaller motor. I can't break it. I can't break it. It's too heavy duty. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you like me destroying my childhood car because of the fact that it's broken and I can't do content with it. I decided to create a content of destroying it, and I did hope you like that. Kind of like that How to Basic channel. So how to basically destroy a car. That's gonna be it, guys. Peace.